Hi, BTN family. We are finally at day 14. Woohoo! Are you excited as I am? Man, we have gone through 14 days of consuming nothing but juice and waters and herbal teas and sugarcane juice. Oh man, I am feeling washed out, like in a nice way, like cleansed out. If you have gone through this process with us, please share what you have experienced throughout the 14 days. It was such an amazing ride to do this with you. And I thank for those of you who have been posting. Thank you so much. It has been enlightening. And also, I get surprised every time that we do a juicing challenge, the results that people get, the emotions people go through, the feelings people go through, the thoughts people go through. They're always they're always unique, they're always different. And I'm surprised every time that, what Mother Nature can do for us. So, congratulations. You have done a really, really great job. And right now, wherever your mind is, I guarantee you, you are so much stronger for what you have just done. So, congratulations. Now, going forward, we're about to break our fast. And I sent some information about how to break your fast. Remember that your body has changed quite a lot over the 14 days. Your stomach, for example, has shrunk. So please don't go and grab a whole plate of food and start, feasting. Yeah, if you're doing any feasting, it had better be on juice. No, I'm just playing. But be kind to your body. Yeah, gradually start going back into solid foods. Start off by, just having a bit of juice, and then you can move into some soups, some salads, and so on. And follow the process like what I had sent in the group before, and you wouldn't be getting any challenges as you break your fast. Now, a lot of people have also asked me, what do I do after the juice fast? Okay, fine, we break our fast, and then what? I go back to what I've been eating all along? Not necessarily, because chances are if you do that, you're probably going to end up where you started from 14 days ago. So I've actually developed a program that will assist you or help you to consistently sustain the changes that you have experienced throughout these 14 days. So what we're calling this program is actually the weight loss, not the weight loss, it's actually the weight transformation challenge, biggest weight transformation challenge 2018. And in this program, it's not just about the physical weight loss. So if you've already lost some weight, fantastic. But how do you actually keep it off? Because the moment you go back to eating, you will go back. You will actually gain some weight. Don't be surprised, because it will happen, because now you're going to be increasing your calories. But how do you maintain continuous weight loss over the rest of your life, pretty much? Yeah. So even on those times when you pick up like an extra 2 kilos or 5 kilos, how do you get them off? Yeah. This is what this program will be doing, and we'll be looking at weight loss, not just as a physical thing where you're losing physical weight, but it's going to be about your mental, your emotional, your spiritual, your relationships, your finances. How are you going to be able to sustain them so that they don't impact your physical weight? Because your physical weight is just a manifestation of what is going on in all these other areas of your life. So if you're interested in doing this, hit me up in the groups, or you can send me a personal message, and I will definitely be giving you more information as we go by. So we're going to be starting on February 15th, 2018, and we will be going for about 12 weeks. It is intended to give you all the tools that you will need so that going forward, you don't have any issues with your weight ever again, pretty much. I mean, I don't have any issues with it anymore. And on top of that, whatever it is that we teach you is stuff that I have been testing on myself. This is why it has taken so long for me to come up with this program, is because I've just been testing and testing and testing and making sure that whatever it is that I'm going to give you, you will get the results that you want, because this thing actually works. So if you're interested, hit me up. Let's get started. Let's get you to 2018, your great year of transformation. That's what it is for me. Is that what it is for you? See you soon.